Teachers, stop drowning in lesson planning and start using your new personalized AI teaching assistant, NotebookLM, to create lessons your students will not forget. So what is this NotebookLM that you speak of, and why should I use it for my lesson planning? Unlike other AI, NotebookLM is source-grounded, meaning it only uses the documents that you give it, not random internet info, allowing you to be in control and create targeted outputs based on your content. To learn how to use NotebookLM to enhance your lessons, we will explore the different sections of what can be found in our one-pager. First, you will need to navigate to NotebookLM. You can access it by clicking Gemini in your Google Classroom, scroll down, and click Create a Notebook. Or go directly to notebooklm.google.com. To start, create a notebook and add your vetted sources. PDFs, YouTube videos, websites, or even your own voice memos. You can add up to 50 sources and 25 million words per notebook. The magic happens in step 3. Now let's look at the studio tools. Generate an audio overview to hear 2 AI hosts discuss your materials like a real podcast in any language to meet your students' needs. You can even click Join to enter interactive mode and talk directly with the hosts. Use mind maps to visually organize complex topics and show connections. Or video overviews to turn your notes into engaging narrated slide-style videos in styles like anime or watercolors. Finally, use the new infographic and slide deck tools to create stunning classroom displays and presentations in seconds, using the Nano Banana model to make your classroom displays pop. Prep your students with interactive quizzes, flashcards, and comprehensive reports like study guides with answer keys. Use the chat to generate unit plans or lessons, differentiate reading materials, ask it clarifying questions, or request summaries, all with citations that link directly to your sources so you can always verify the facts. When you're done, share the entire notebook with your PLC or admin via email as editors or viewers. Download your resources and upload to a formative, or share it with students directly in Google Classroom. Pro tip: use Gemini to help create more accurate prompts for those studio tools. Just tell Gemini what product you want to make, including what style, theme, colors, tone, or anything else you want to get more accurate results. Then just copy and paste that prompt into the description box in the pencil window. Are you short on time or need help setting up and using a notebook? Fill out the Request a Training Session form and we can come out and help you. Make sure you consider the pros and cons. NotebookLM can enhance your teaching by helping you create thoughtful, creative lesson resources. Even when it doesn't speed up planning, it adds value by generating materials that would typically require time we teachers rarely have. Be sure to vet every item generated for accuracy and inappropriate materials before disseminating to students. Unfortunately, at this moment, infographics, videos, and slide decks are not yet editable, and these advanced features are currently limited to only 3 generations a day. However, you can edit them with the magic tools in your free Educator Canva account. NotebookLM is here to support your creativity and your time, so you can focus less on planning and more on powerful learning experiences.